As the holiday season approaches, the quest for the perfect gift begins. This year, why not think beyond the traditional material items and consider the gift of travel? At Wanderlust by Kai, we believe that experiences create memories that last a lifetime, far outlasting any physical gift. Let's explore why travel is the ultimate present and how it can bring joy and enrichment to your loved ones' lives. Unlike material gifts that may fade, break, or go out of style, the gift of travel leaves an indelible mark on the heart and mind. It's about gifting stories, adventures, and experiences that will be reminisced about for years to come. Travel as a gift means offering someone a chance to explore new cultures, cuisines, landscapes, and to create memories that will be cherished forever. Let's explore top-rated travel locations. First up is Bali, Indonesia. Known for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and serene yoga retreats, Bali is an ideal gift for those seeking relaxation and spiritual rejuvenation. Paris, France, the city of love and lights. Paris is perfect for art lovers, history buffs, and romantics. Maui, Hawaii, with its breathtaking beaches, hiking trails, and the famous road to Hana, Maui is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Tuscany, Italy, ideal for foodies and wine enthusiasts. Tuscany offers a taste of the rustic Italian countryside, rich in history and culinary delights. New York City, USA. The city that never sleeps offers an exhilarating mix of culture, cuisine, and iconic landmarks. It's perfect for those who love the urban buzz and endless entertainment options. Banff National Park, Canada. For nature enthusiasts, Banff's stunning mountain landscapes and turquoise lakes offer a serene and breathtaking getaway. Napa Valley, California, USA. Ideal for wine connoisseurs and foodies, Napa Valley provides a luxurious escape into the world of fine wines and gourmet dining amidst rolling vineyards. Charleston, South Carolina, USA. Known for its rich history, charming architecture, and southern hospitality, Charleston is a delightful destination for culture and history buffs. Montreal, Canada. A slice of Europe in North America, Montreal is famed for its vibrant art scene, French heritage, and culinary delights. Cancun, Mexico. A paradise for beach lovers, Cancun offers crystal-clear waters, white sandy beaches, and a lively nightlife. Jasper National Park, Canada. For those seeking adventure amidst nature, Jasper's rugged wilderness and wildlife offer an unforgettable experience. The Bahamas, Caribbean. With its idyllic beaches, clear waters, and relaxed island vibe, the Bahamas are perfect for a tropical retreat. Vancouver, Canada. A city where urban modernity meets natural beauty, Vancouver is ideal for those who enjoy outdoor activities as well as city comforts. Tulum, Mexico. Known for its stunning Mayan ruins and beautiful beaches, Tulum is a unique blend of historical richness and natural beauty. Each of these destinations offers its own unique set of experiences, making them perfect for a holiday gift that promises adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. Personalized itineraries. Travel agents like those at Wanderlust by Kai offer personalized itineraries tailored to the recipient's interests and preferences. Stress-free planning. Gifting travel can seem daunting, but with a travel agent, all the planning, booking, and organizing is taken care of. Are you ready to embark on the journey of gifting the perfect travel experience? Wanderlust by Kai is here to guide you through this exciting endeavor. With our team of experienced travel agents, we help you navigate through the vast sea of travel options. Whatever the preference or interest, be it a tranquil beach getaway, a thrilling adventure trek, or a cultural city tour, we've got it covered. Visit us at wanderlustbykai.com and start exploring the endless possibilities of travel that will make the perfect gift. Remember, with Wanderlust by Kai, gifting travel is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Let's start this wonderful journey together.